This is the day I'm happy I have this air cleaning system. Started planing today. The 3 boards have had a chance to dry. Started planing and sanding, and fine sanding really fills up the air with crud. Got a good start. I'm just working on these 2 boards on the left. Kind of hard to see the seam here. That's good. Oak is kind of weird. You have to be careful. It's got softer parts and harder parts, and the soft parts will kind of rip out. Some kind of tiger stripes along here. That's from planing. Most of that will sand out with enough time. Lots of woodworkers hate sanding. I like it. I think it's fun to see stuff start to come together. You can kind of get an idea what it's going to look like. If you spend the extra time now, you can really do a good job getting rid of these seams. Kind of hard to see them. I started with I think an 80 grit sandpaper and gradually work up to 220, and that'll be a real fine finish. Well, that's what we'll be doing for the next couple days.